What's up, everyone? This is Jay. Thank you for tuning in to the Crypto Art channel. Now, I was gonna make the previous video my last video for the day, but you know what? After reading so many other articles, I decided, you know what? I'll just make more. And yeah, before I get started, I just want to say that nothing I say in the video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please, guys, do your own research on top of mine because there's a lot of things that I could miss, and it's better to have multiple eyes towards something rather than relying on just that one person. And yeah, let's get to the article. So, here we have one of the biggest banks, Goldman Sachs, planning to start their own Ethereum options and futures. Now, if you guys don't know Goldman Sachs, yeah, they're one of those banks before that created FUD in cryptocurrency, especially in the last bull run, and then it started going up. And now they're moving beyond Bitcoin and want to head towards Ethereum. And that is definitely a good thing because that's going to add more liquidity towards that market. Let's see. Also, one thing to note about Ethereum futures, guys. Let's see. In terms of volume, Binance definitely outweighs every single competition out here. They're up to like 10 billion. Ooh, geez. Then you have Huobi, the second at 5.4 billion in terms of volume. Then OKEx, Bybit, then FTX. So that just goes to show the demand of Ethereum. Now, Ethereum on May or late April was getting that big rally from like near close to 2,000 to like 4,000 right after all those Ethereum ETFs started opening up. So imagine what this big bank is going to do when they start doing or buying Ethereum, which I definitely think they have already started. I don't think they're waiting until like a later date. But yeah, they are definitely going to keep on doing this. These big banks love to put their money where it can work for them. And putting it in cryptocurrency right now seems like an ideal investment because there's been a lot of money being put into the crypto market. And of course, the big banks like Goldman Sachs is definitely one of those guys. They are one of the big boys when it comes to this market. Now, in terms of volume for Ethereum, they've reached around 6.1 billion in daily volume according to Skew. So that's definitely big, guys. Ethereum is already the second biggest crypto out there. So, and also on top of that, crypto market or crypto in general is here to stay. It's going to keep on going up. And I definitely do see a bright future for Ethereum because this beast right here is going to be handling a buttload of money in the future. But we're not going to know how much until, it happens. But it's definitely going to get there. So let's read this part right here. Likewise, options contracts gives traders a chance, but not the obligation, unlike futures contracts, to buy crypto at a set price and can typically be traded up until the last Friday. And that's been the typical um, pattern on a monthly basis. Usually nearing the end of the month or in the very last week, you have CME futures as well ending, and yeah, the market usually crashes around that time. So when Goldman Sachs is moving in, that just goes to show that there's a higher potential of the crypto market going up, as well as a higher potential of the crypto market going down. Because not what goes up must also come down, guys. Incorrect. So keep that in mind. So I definitely do see this as very big bullish news in Ethereum. Now I'm not saying that Ethereum is going to start going up from here. You never know what's going to happen. There could be a dip in between. So definitely do your research if you want to start making your moves. All right, moving forward to the next one. All right, Microstrategy. Maybe selling 1 billion in stocks to buy more Bitcoin. Jeez, that should tell you something. There's more big money going towards cryptocurrency, and now they're selling their stocks just to get in cryptocurrency some more. Now, Last August, we actually had Microstrategy. What was it right here? Yeah, Microstrategy bought 21,000 Bitcoin when it was around 11,000. So, and they still continue to buy. So, hey, if big money's moving there, for sure I'm gonna be moving my money with them. Now, not necessarily Bitcoin, because I know these guys are buying other assets as well, like Ethereum and other sound investments that have a really good protocol. If you want those lists of cryptos, join my Patreon. I'll give you those lists of cryptos. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to keep doing your own research and top of mind. I show you the top 1%, how they move, what they like to do. So, yeah, I don't expect them to buy Bitcoin now. I think they are preparing for a cheaper price. Now, I don't exactly know how far Bitcoin is going to go down, but I am expecting a bearish summer because if you look in the weekly chart for some of these cryptos, they have not had a major correction yet, and corrections are needed, and people have to pull profits, and also it also helps establish a newer floor. Um, Most likely, it's going to be higher low, and it's just going to create that floor for everything to just inflate in price again. All right, remember that is not financial advice. So let's look at Bitcoin here. And keep in mind, guys, I'm not a TA person. All right, I'm just basing this based on patterns that I've been seeing. So yeah, we've been staggering around 40,000, between 30,000 to 40,000 for some time. Since I do see a bearish summer, I do see it correcting around maybe possibly around 20,000 temporarily, and then starts rallying back up again. But that's just my guess, guys. Please don't quote me on that. But yeah, if it doesn't break around this line, around like 33,000 or so, then this could be the new floor. But you know what? I still feel like this line needs to be retested. But we're just gonna have to see what's going to happen in the next couple months. All right, here's another thing to watch out for: repos. So this one is starting today, Monday, and ending Tuesday. And how much they're gonna be using is 583 billion. That's half a trillion almost on a daily basis with these guys. They've been doing this for like past couple weeks. It was at like high 200 billion on repos and reverse repos, and all of a sudden it kept skyrocketing. Now they're up to 580 billion. Now, this number or this money, I don't know where they got it, but they're going to be using this to buy mortgage-backed securities, treasuries, and a little bit of this money does go into cryptocurrencies. They don't say it, but for some reason, whenever they have repos or talks about a money or money-related, cryptocurrency just gets affected. So I don't. Pretty sure it's not just like coincidence anymore because it almost happens on regular pattern. But yeah, do keep an eye out. Tomorrow I do see a lot of volatility happening because the Fed is talking this week. They're going to be meeting tomorrow and then most likely showing up on Wednesday. And we also have the DeFi Summit, which is a another conference or event that's happening all week. So that is definitely going to add volatility to the market because people are going to be investing, selling, and all doing all that stuff. Anyways, there has been a lot of news, but cybersecurity. You have big banks putting more money towards cybersecurity because the world is going digital. That's the new economy. So if you want to keep your cryptocurrency safe, I definitely do recommend a hard wallet like the Ledger. I do have experience with them. I have both their Ledger Nano S and X. If you're a person that only has less than 5 cryptocurrency that you're investing on, I do recommend the Ledger Nano S. This one does require a wire or for it to be hooked into the computer for you to use it. Whereas the Ledger Nano X, it's more wireless. It has Bluetooth, and this one houses a lot more cryptocurrency than the Ledger Nano S. And I do recommend this if you have more than 5 cryptocurrencies in your disposal in your portfolio, because it allows you to house more crypto. And yeah, that is all. Do keep your investments safe, guys. Do not trust these exchanges. They've been getting hacked quite a lot. And yeah, that is all I have for this video. If you did find this informative, very helpful, please do press like, share it as well, and subscribe. So that way you guys help the channel grow, and also you'll be informed of when I post a new video. And yeah, that is all I have